Hey you guys, Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning. We're in Eagle Creek, Oregon today cleaning out an RV. As you can see, they kind of went the do-it-yourself route with a rental machine from the store, and they've got a bit of residual residue that was left behind that immediately began to attract extra debris like a magnet. And that is inherently the issue with the do-it-yourself rental machines and the all-purpose cleaners that have tons of high concentration of sticky residue and that sort of stuff in there. An electric machine, yeah, they're okay for doing a spot here or there, but having to do any amount of area whatsoever, they're just going to completely over wet and take forever to clean. And they even said that they did this last summer and that the carpets in here were wet for days, so telltale sign that things went south pretty quick on it. It doesn't look terrible. I wasn't really sure what to expect. I was thinking I was going to be pulling out like a grease eater product that I use on a lot of synthetic motorhomes and RVs and stuff. However, this doesn't really show any of that. So what I'm going to be using is Magic Wand's trash green today, and I added a bit of nitro and a little tiny bit of citrus just to give it a little more oomph. Probably not required or really needed, but being a very low, practically neutral pH cleaner, that's going to go well in here as far as, you know, cleaning up the mess that they may have made. So we're going to get this all cleaned up, looking awesome. pH back to normal, what it's supposed to be. As neutral as we possibly can get it, and that will just help the carpets to maintain their optimal brightness and original color and stay clean for as long as it possibly can. And another thing that the owner cued me in on is that they're usually down at the sand dunes or something like that with ATVs or whatnot. So this place, it kind of gave me a cue that maybe they were walking in here barefoot with some suntan lotion or something like that. I have absolutely no idea. I'm just speculating, but that could be the case. Possibly sand, so I made sure to get everything a very good heavy vacuum before we even get started, and that will just help with the longevity of the carpet to prevent some of that wear and tear. That's going to happen inevitably anyways, but we can minimize it as much as we possibly can.